Sky is an integral piece of the pie that was once MakerDAO. The recently upgraded protocol now features the SkyLink web app for interoperability with star projects such as Spark and Sky Atlas for governance modifications. Sky offers staking rewards along with its flagship stablecoin USDS, which was once DAI or DAI. The DeFi opportunities are endless within the Sky ecosystem and shows with it being in the top 10 protocols by revenue over the past 30 days as of November 2025. The Zebec Network is also at the heart of RWA payments with advanced DePIN infrastructure, card services, and Zebec Vaults. With 50,000 monthly users, 250 enterprise clients, and active in over 130 countries, the architecture is already integrated into daily lives, changing the way we transact one day at a time. Zebec is known for its real-time payroll services and cross-border remittances, helping the RWA ecosystem flourish on secure and accessible rails. Zebec is the first crypto platform to acquire a US payroll firm using stablecoins for real-time payment rails. The Venus protocol enables money markets to be community-driven and helps financial instruments gain functionality. For example, they just integrated with Arculus to bring secure, institutional-grade DeFi access like native lending, staking, and borrowing right in the hardware wallet. Venus is the third highest rated for security on BNB chain and is built omni-chain on EVM-compatible chains for fast and low-cost transactions. Simple and trusted by industry leaders, Venus is a surefire way to powerful global finance. PinLink claims to be the first RWA tokenized DePIN model that allows GPU, miner, and other computational hardware owners to tokenize their equipment and rent it out to developers or enterprises. At the intersection of AI, DePIN, and RWA, PinLink is combining workload mechanics that lower costs and increase decentralized revenue streams. With over 17,000 tokenized mining fractions deployed, $330,000 USDC in mining rewards distributed, and a new on-chain yield primitive called HashLink, PinLink has tricks up its sleeves for years to come. Relio is a RWA-focused ecosystem with a multi-token staking architecture with RIO, RST, etc., and other product offerings. One of the most unique pieces of this protocol is its liquid mining fund, enabling permissionless and open source equity exposure to liquid-cooled institutional BTC mining operations with the LMX token. Relio is also building a non-custodial multi-chain DeFi wallet app called Freehold Wallet, showcasing a RWA tokenization studio and other empowering features for investors. Daya Data is an open-source Oracle aggregator that pulls market data from on-chain and off-chain protocols and then provides customizable feeds to smart contracts across an unlimited number of chains. Daya is chain agnostic, with ZK technology for the future of RWAs backed by staked assets. With support for 3,000 plus tokens, 20,000 plus assets, and 8,000 plus updates per day, Daya removes friction in verifiable integrity and scales the capabilities for community developer growth through grant programs. Its full stack includes integration with Hyperliquid's Hyper EVM, which represents some of the fastest data feeds in crypto. As an official member of the Canton Network, the world's largest institutional digital assets infrastructure, Rise, or T-Rise, is a RWA DeFi project that utilizes AI/ML risk analytics to build its public permissioned L1 blockchain RiseNet. Additionally, they have a patent pending for an immutable ZK privacy-first blockchain protocol for messaging that looks to usher in a new era of technology across decentralized systems. From real estate tokenization to a fully compliant lifecycle, Rise bridges TradFi to DeFi with its Carbon Zero DAI models and looks to chip away at the multi-trillion-dollar RWA market. IXS is a financial settlement layer, bridging RWA access for idle assets that boost liquidity and secondary market trading. Its multi-layered architecture includes an on-chain tokenized marketplace, a regulatory compliance framework, an institutional-grade SaaS platform for RWA tokenization, a DEX that handles secondary market trading, and a launchpad for token issuance. IXS is leading in large-scale RWA lifecycle management from individual fractional ownership to seamless asset creation for financial institutions. Lumia is similarly at the intersection of RWA adoption between Wall Street and DeFi, building infrastructure for real-world economies to digitally transform the future. From real estate and commodities to land and cars, Lumia bridges physical assets and digital tokenization to increase access and liquidity. Aggregating across sexes and dexes with developer toolkits, Lumia is purpose-built for financial mobility with institutional-grade standards. The Dusk Network links users, businesses, and institutions with its privacy technology and modular architecture. It recently launched its public testnet for Dusk EVM, marking a breakthrough in ZKP encryption with the built-in hedger confidential auditing. On-chain financial markets bring access to all, but privacy is needed to scale it and bring the world on-chain. Dusk preserves the ability to do so with the right to cryptography and consensus in Segregated Byzantine Agreement, or SBA, paving the way for compliant tokenized securities and other instruments as the landscape evolves.